This is a piece of honeycomb that we got from this post over here. And we're gonna cut it open because it has like some wax cappings on it. I got stuff all over my phone. Ah! Ugh! That's a hoospus. That's what that is. Look at those wax cappings. I really don't want to squish it. I want to see inside, but I don't know how to do that without. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna guess probably larvae. Or maggots. She thinks they're maggots. I don't know what they are. I wish I could keep some, but they're not like wasp nests. The honeycomb, they're not made of paper. It's made of wax. So it'll eventually get all gross and runny and yeah. It's a very short little video, but still really, really cool.